Hey everyone, it's Cindy, and I'm giving your tech tip to you for the Keller Teller via video today. So we're going to talk about profit share. In the past, we have put your profit share reports in your mailbox at the office, and we found out that nobody's really taking those and using them. They're just throwing them away. So in an effort to save money, save paper, save trees, all that good stuff, we are going to show you how to find your profit share report if you want to look at it. So it's really simple. All you're going to do is you're going to log into your kw.onelogin.com account. You're going to click on KW Intranet. And I've logged in as Peter Willits today. Thank you, Peter. You're going to see next to your photo, you're going to see Profile and Reports. All you're going to do is click on Reports. And you're going to see the little spinny wheel, but it looks like it's just sitting there thinking. It actually is working, so that's something KW probably should fix. You're going to get a drop down, so just hover over Reports, you get the drop down, select Profit and Growth Share, slide over, and then go down to Profit Share. When you click on Profit Share, wait just a few seconds, and you'll see your report come up. When you're logged in as you'll only see your profit share report. That's why I had to log in as an agent, because I can see everybody. So here's what you see. You'll have each year and each month of each year, and it'll tell you what you've earned in profits for that month, and then of course the total for the year. So up here you'll be able to see who your sponsor is, your different levels. So it's a really awesome report. And I honestly think this one's a little bit easier than reading the one that we used to put in your mailbox. So hopefully this was helpful. And next week, watch for your next tech tip in the Keller Teller. Thanks, everyone.